Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a graph which is showing the positions of Paul and Mark during a race, where they're both running at a constant rate, and Mark was given a head start to shorten the distance he needed to run. Paul finished in 6 seconds, which is correlating with this point right here at the end, and Mark finished at 10 seconds, finishing over here, since the X is marked by time. According to the graph, Mark was given a head start of how many yards? So to find out how much of a head start he was given, we have to look at the starting positions of both of them. So for Paul, we look at his position at time is equal to 0. So that's going to be where his line or line segment intersects with the y-axis, because that's when his x, that's when his time is equal to 0. So his is all the way down there at the point 0, 0. So he was given a position at the beginning of 0 yards. Mark, on the other hand, was given a head start, so when we look at his position, at time equals 0, he was there, which correlates halfway between 24 and 12. Well, each of these ticks, therefore, is going to be 6, since 12 is 2 ticks. So we know 12, 18, 24, so he started at 18, which means he was 18 yards in. His head start can be thought of as the distance he was starting ahead of Paul. In this case, 18 minus 0 is still equal to 18 because Paul was starting at the very beginning. But either way, the head start is going to be 18 yards, which means C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.